Well, hundreds of thousands of Californians are finding home and renters insurance policies unavailable or unaffordable. ABC 10 continues to follow the state's insurance crisis and asks leaders what they're doing to try to solve the problem. And today, ABC 10's Becca Habegger visited a small foothills community as seniors there face difficult decisions.
We're at the very charming community of Dutch Flat.
It's an annual tradition for Sandy Vignolo and her family.
Every 4th of July, the town turns out. It's just awesome.
Her husband's family spans 6 generations in this Placer County community.
And then this is his grandmother's house.
A home they hope to keep in the family, but that is becoming a challenge. A few years ago, she and her husband were paying an annual premium of $1,100 to insure this home, but their insurer dropped them, and they had to go on the California Fair Plan, the high-cost, bare-bones fire insurance of last resort. Now, fire insurance alone costs nearly $8,000 a year, and they're also paying for a separate liability policy.
We've had to dip into savings to pay that. There's a lot of people around here that it's gone beyond what they have.
People are losing their homes.
Suzanne Vidal also lives in Dutch Flat and is a real estate broker. Her homeowner's insurance increased from $3,300 to $5,100 in the last year, but she says that's nothing compared to an elderly neighbor who went from paying $1,800 a year in 2020 to now paying nearly $16,000 on the Fair Plan. And she knows many others in similar situations.
Even if they don't have a mortgage and they're paying that much for insurance, that's hard to come by when you're on fixed income. You know, say you're getting maybe $1,200 to $1,800 a month in Social Security. There's just no way you can do it.
I reached out to the California Department of Insurance to ask what they're doing to help people in Dutch Flat and other communities like this.
California is at an insurance crossroad.
California Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara rolled out his sustainable insurance strategy last year. He told state lawmakers Wednesday key provisions of the reforms will finally be going into effect weeks from now.
Definitely by no later than the end of this year, starting of next year, you'll start seeing more correction in the market.
They told us this in my industry a year ago, that this year was going to be totally different. The first of the year, a lot of these companies were going to come back into our market with insurance available at reasonable or sensible prices. Now it's maybe next year.
And they need to step up now, not down the road, not saying we're trying to help.
They say older folks on fixed incomes can't hold out much longer. In Dutch Flat, Becca Habegger, ABC 10.
The To The Point team spent months investigating the home insurance crisis, hearing from homeowners, lawmakers, and the insurance commissioner himself. You can stream the special investigation right now on the ABC 10 Plus TV streaming app.